So most awaited video for the Brahmastra students regarding Prelims Bootcamp batch. So you might have heard the name of Prelims Bootcamp batch from my various lectures. So here I wanted to provide you the precise and the complete information that what will be the procedure for the Prelims Bootcamp batch for those who are part of Brahmastra 2026. First thing is, we have done a lot of hard work. We are continuing it through Eklavya classes, etc. Ab, this is the time from where we cannot afford to lose the battle. Hence, the very first directive of mine regarding the Prelims Bootcamp batch is, it is mandatory. It is mandatory and compulsory for each and every Brahmastra student. Up, since I am keeping it mandatory, for the very first time, we are trying to explore the feature of the voluntary fees. So if I am saying mandatory and if I keep a certain fees on it, it won't be wise on my part. So what we are exploring in this particular batch, a concept of voluntary fees, which I will explain you towards the end. Now please watch this so that you understand the entire the flow in order to get your seat confirmed under the batch if you are part of Brahmastra. Up. In this program, what we are trying to achieve is, we are trying to cover the entire prelims syllabus in 2 months, starting from 2nd January, that is Friday. So starting from 2nd January, by February end, we will be covering the entire syllabus. And let me stop you here and tell you one thing, that we are not just covering the syllabus, the classes, the entire concept is unconventional but highly relevant, highly practical. So what we are trying to do in Prelims Bootcamp batch, we will be covering the syllabus, we will be going comprehensive, we will be sticking to the standard plus multiple sources, but the ideology is different. These will not be the normal classes. Those are part of Brahmas. We have already conducted the day-long classes under the Vajra. The feedback, the impact, and the value addition which that has done in your mains preparation, it very well. So the same thing, and on the updated lines, we are bringing in the most practical format for the prelims. Now for the prelims, in a week, for mains we are meeting for 2 days a week. For the prelims, in a week we are meeting 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In 3 days a week, we will be meeting day long. In day long, first of all, from 10 AM to 6 PM, you will be having your classes. 10 AM, 6 AM, 10 AM to 6 PM, sorry, you will be having your classes. Now, don't take these as the simple plain classes. We will be working upon the concepts, we will be working upon the this facts, we will be working upon the current affair linkages, but along with it, the most important part is, we will enable you to make your exam oriented, exam relevant summaries, right? And that will be supplemented by the Sunya revision notes which are with you from the prelims point of view. So these classes will not be simple plain classes, we will make them 360-degree, incorporating everything. Now let's say we are done with the class at 6 PM. There will be a break. After that break, beta, what we will do, we will sit live in the class, and for 2 hours we will do the live practice. When I say live practice, what do I mean by it? In the class itself, we will show you the question, then within the class you have to tell the answer, then next question, then answer. There is a catch. Don't take these questions as the simple plain questions. What we have to use, the classes to solve these questions, and apart from these classes, you have to use your logic to solve the questions. And let me tell you, we will conduct a session on logic as well in December. A session on logic with the name Trinetra. So this Trinetra program, me and Kuldeep sir will be taking with you, and this will help you to identify, diagnose all the relevant logic related tools through which you get extra marks in a prelims examination. So what I'm trying to make a point is, these 2 hours will not be simple plain static practice. We will use the class concepts in some of the statements, and in some of the statements we will use the Trinetra. That is how you solve the prelims का paper. Finally सारे 100 questions आपको नहीं आएंगे. So this is the entire ideology of the prelims bootcamp batch, where by February end you will be the best contender for the prelims, and then from March onwards, don't worry, I will be there to guide you further. We'll take it to the next level. Every month we'll take it to the next level. Okay? So that is how we have planned the entire prelims bootcamp batch. Now let me come back to the registration wala part. So first thing, this is mandatory. Second thing, since this is mandatory for Brahma students, I cannot keep a fees, mandatory fees on it. So what we are trying to explore, we are trying to explore the concept of voluntary fees with you. And I have already, taught you the ethics wala part. So based upon your economic, what I can say, the, viability of whatsoever is your financial condition, you take a call from zero until the normal fees of this batch is 3,500 for the normal like the other aspirants. So even if your friends are willing to register, or maybe if you want to recommend it to others, the fees will be 3,500 for you. You have to fill any amount. Even if you don't have the paying capacity, please fill zero, and if you consider that you can pay some amount of maybe the full amount, please fill that in the Google form. So in your respective Telegram channels, let's say you're part of Brahma June batch, in the Telegram channel you will get a Google form, and let me warn you, this form will be active only for 3 days. So you have to book your seat within 3 days of the form. Okay? So please fill the form, fill all the details. You will get you will be notified in your Telegram channels. Then we will try to notify on the other platforms also, so that there is awareness regarding this form and the video. Now after you have filled the form, seat is not yet confirmed, let me tell you very frankly. After you fill the form, you will get a call from the team for the extra information, whatever is required, or maybe for other purposes. The team will call you. Once the team has called you, over the call they will confirm your seat. Okay? So this is the process which you all have to follow if you're part of Brahmas to book your seat. And please do not come after 3 days of this video, maybe the form, because we cannot take seats for the longer period of time, because ultimately the seat is open to other students also, right? So we need to limit that these much of these seats are filled by the Brahmas, and these seats we have to give to others. So that is the constraint. So we will not be entertaining anything after 3 days. Please use this window and please get yourself onboarded. Thank you. See you in some other class.